Hi guys, got something real special today. We have Champions Path cards to open. So I got this box. It has 6 packs and also comes with 2 pins. So this is obviously stow-on-side, the gym leaders. So I had Pokemon Shield, so I had this gym leader. And I didn't have, I think her name's B or Bia, not too sure. I can't remember his name. I call him Shy Guy because he kind of looks like a shy guy. Alright, let's open this up. Alrighty. So much plastic. Oh my god, so much more plastic than I thought there was. Whoop. So firstly, we've got these 2 promo cards, which is Gengar. Nice little shiny Gengar. I like this little mischievous looking lad. And we've got Machamp. Alrighty. And in this box as well, there are 2 pins of the gym badge logos. One obviously fighting and one, was it poison or ghost? I think it's poison, yeah. And fighting. Alright. So let's get through the cards. Let's see what we've got here. I haven't opened Champions Path 1 yet. Oh, that one's broken. So we've got VMAX Dreadnought, Dynamax Gardevoir, Obstagoon, another Gardevoir, and another Obstagoon. We'll open this one first since it's already open. Oh, I see what's happened. It's crimped on the actual card. Alright, let's see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them at the back. And let's see what we get. I'm going to move the camera forward a bit. Alright. So we've got Energy, we got Piers, Suspicious Food Tin, Sonia, Full Heal, Scraggy. I like this little picture. It's really cute. You get the 3 Scraggy here. Purloin, Chop, Nickit, and we have Reverse Shiny Altaria. That's really neat. And we got Marnie. Nice little hollow Marnie there. Alright, so that was the first one. That was Gardevoir. Let's open the next Obstagoon. This is pretty exciting since I've been opening Darkness Ablaze. This is a whole new sort of set of cards for me to open. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. We've got Sharpedo, Arbok, Kabu, Potion, Pokeball, Carvana, Ekans. So that Ekans will go great with the Arbok we just got. Weedle. I like these ones where it's like a little, looks like little clay dolls in the real world. Turffield Stadium, and another Altaria, but this one is regular hollow, not reverse hollow. That's really nice. Alright, I don't have any more sleeves to put them in. I'm waiting on those to come in, so hopefully I get some soon, because I I don't like having the holo cards not be protected. Alright, another Gardevoir. Nope. This one is being a pain. Let's try it from the other side. Oh, that's better. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. We have Absol, Beedrill. Is that? Oh, it almost looks straight from the anime. Like a still, but no. Rotom Bike, Rockruff, Vulpix. That is a very red card. Potion, Full Heal, Roly-Coly. Then we have Malamar, Reverse Holo, and another Holo Mani. Alright. Third one, Gigantamax Dreadnought. Let's see what we get. I want it to be a surprise. I don't want to show like the front card, so I'm hoping this does well. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them to the front. Energy. Ooh, Victini. Arbok again. Rotom Bike again. Weedle again. Galarian Zigzagoon. Rockruff again. Full Heal again. I've noticed we're getting a lot of these trainer cards. I don't know if this one, if Champion's Path just has a lot more of those, but seem to be getting a lot of them. Scraggy again. Ooh, a Reverse Holo Beedrill. And this one is Dreadnought VMAX. I really don't like, I don't have many sleeves. I don't have really any sleeves. I've got one spare. So that's really, I really like that VMAX. That's the second VMAX I've gotten so far. The other one being the Center Scorch. How many more decks do we have? God, it's just so many cards here. Alright. We've got this Obstagoon. Wait, was there only 4 packs in there? I thought there were 6. No matter. We've got the 4. So let's open this one. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Sharpedo again. Piers again. Hatterene. Pokeball again. Weedle again. Ooh, Kakuna. So we can evolve the Weedle. Carvana again. Potion again. Ooh! I didn't know you could get Holo Energy. That's really neat. And Holo Scrafty. Or Scrafty, however you pronounce it. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sure there was 6 packs in there. Or was it 5 packs? No, 5 packs. Okay. Was 5 packs. Anyway, that is it for this video. I'm really happy we got a Dreadnought VMAX. That's really, really neat. Really nice. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's anything else you'd like me to see open, let me know. I'm hoping to open more Champion's Path soon in the future. I've got a couple more vids planned. They're really nice. I hope you like them. But anyway, that's all for today. I hope you really liked the video and have a good day.